All right, so we've got the first coating on. So a simple buttercream frosting recipe will be added into the recipe section if you'd like to make that as well. So once you've got the scratch coat down, you want to draw a line down the center, just like your basic brain with the two hemispheres, right? So this is where we start taking shape. All right, so we've got our brain basic shape. We're gonna stick this in the fridge, let it set, and we're gonna come back and add another coat. All right, we've done the scratch coat. We've let it sit in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. So now we're gonna add a little bit of a top coat on here and continue on with the detail work. Just take this and smooth it out. You still want to maintain the two hemispheres of the brain. It was a graveyard smash. It was all in a flash. He did a monster mash. All right, the next part, you need to make some fondant. So it's pretty easy to make. Use marshmallows, a little lard, and some water, and powdered sugar. And you mix it into a dough. And for the details on the brain, you can just start swirling them together to give your brain more of that grainy look to it. The zombies were having fun. The party had just begun. The guests included the Wolfman, Dracula, and his son. The scene was rocking, all were digging the sounds. Igor on chains, backed by his baying hounds. The coffin bangers were about to arrive when the vocal group, the Crypt Kicker 5. They played the monster mash. Just roll it up till you get the thickness you want. And you can start making an easy brain design. Seems he was troubled by just one thing. He opened the lid and shook his fist and said, "Whatever happened to my Transylvania twist?" It's now the mash. It's now the monster mash. The monster mash. And it's a graveyard smash. It's now the mash. It caught on in a flash. It's now the mash. It's now the monster mash. Now everything's cool. Drax a part of the band. All right, for the finishing touch, I made a quick glaze with powdered sugar and water for a little food coloring. This mash was meant to. When you get to my door, just tell the boy sent you. Then you can mash. Then you can monster mash. The monster mash. It was a graveyard smash. Then you can mash. You'll catch on in a flash. Then you can mash. Then you can monster mash. Okay. The freshly harvested brain.
Wow.